Hey everybody, Larry Capetto here. Yeah, Larry Capetto here. Can you see me? Can you hear me? We are under an air quality alert. We have fires burning south of us. Started small, lightning. I saw lightning about a week ago. It's in what's called the Gateway area. There's like two, I think. I think there's one out in Utah, and the Grand Canyon's on fire. That's sad. So what happens is the smoke gets up here into the Grand Valley. This is like a valley, 4,500 feet, high desert, and we get days like today more often than not lately. 3 years ago we had the Pine Gulch fire, which I covered extensively. I've got that on one of my YouTube channels, and amazing footage. I think it's on the God's Underground or my other channel. But when you go outside and it's just you're breathing in smoke. I don't know about you, but I'm allergic to smoke. I can't handle it. Cigarette smoke, fire smoke, whatever. So I'm looking like Darth Vader today in a garden hat, sounding a little nasal, which I'll try to clean up the audio. The wind is blowing. What's happening is this fire is fueling the wind. I mean, of course, what's fueling the fire is the dry wind, the low humidity, the heat, and just lack of moisture, and all the combination of the wind and the low humidity. Fire, red flag warnings out. So this mask is falling off. Now there's only 3 times I'll wear a mask. During the whole what's called the pandemic, I never wore a mask, okay? Because this doesn't really do anything for a virus. If I would have said that 3 years ago on YouTube, they would have taken this video down. But we all know it's true today. Okay, so 3 times I wear a mask. When there's a fire, when there's a fire, and when there's a fire. That's a good time to wear a mask. And it really helps with it. So I'm allergic to smoke, so that's why I'm wearing this mask. I'm out in my garden. I just watered my garden. And we've had overcast today. Usually overcast is because of clouds. Today it was mainly because of the smoke. We have thick smoke in the area. You can taste it in your mouth. And those of you who live around fires can probably relate to that. So, but that's kind of where it's at today. I'm going to stop for a minute because this mask is falling and I need to put this over my head. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got the strap over my head now. So this N95 mask is working. I can give you a lecture on masks, but anyways, if you wore a mask a few years ago, I'm not going to say anything about that. I'm just trying to put a little humor in my day because the sky is ominous, man. It is ominous with smoke. Again, I came out of lunch, out of the restaurant. We came out of the restaurant, or we went into the restaurant, and just thick. It's like a wave. You can see it. It looks like it does in the wintertime when there's an inversion here, temperature inversion, and the clouds are trapped into the valley. Well, the smoke is trapped. There's no place to go. I sent an email to the Weather Service, National Weather Service here in Grand Junction. They said maybe Friday or Saturday the humidity might go up, maybe some rain. I felt raindrops earlier. I see a little break up there in the sky. And so we may be suffering like this for days, I don't know, but people with respiratory problems, this is horrible. You got to stay indoors. Don't even chance it. But, I'm allergic to smoke. I get pollen allergies in the springtime, but maybe this will be an interesting video because I get to dress up for Halloween early, and I think I look pretty good in the mask. Okay. Anyways, folks, I hope you can hear me but one of the reasons I wanted to do this was check this out. We've been watching this flower grow, right? I told you a couple days it'll be up. There's my beautiful flower. This is where I call sunny. These are my sunny flowers because I had a 9, 10, 11 foot flower called Sunny in 2017. Maybe I'll find a picture of it and put it in this video. But so this is where Sunny grew back then. So I take a picture of me and Sunny. I'm smiling. Can you tell me? Can you tell I'm smiling? Smile. I just watered, so I'll show my garden and my crafty burrowing, what I call. It wasn't really dry today. I was surprised. The cloud cover has kept everything looking wet. Okay, this is where I buried that little bird I told you about the other day. Looky, looky, looky. We got a little sunflower coming up here. Let's go to my wide angle. I can do a better shot. You can see this better. See my little bird. Birds are buried in here, and this last year had 3 beautiful sunflowers. So I bury my birds in the garden. So I don't know if you want to come here now with all this smoke. So if you're like me and you suffer from allergies, you may want to wait on your trip out here. So how appropriate, it starts to rain as I end this short update. So this is Larry Capetto, feeling groovy and having a good day after my birthday. Yeah, Okay, gotta have some fun, right? I messed up on the words yesterday to the Beatles song, Birthday. You say it's your birthday, well, happy birthday to you. You say it's your birthday, we're gonna have a good time. You say it's your birthday, well, happy birthday to you. Okay. Behold his glory with an unveiled face, minus the dust mask. That's what these are designed for, dusk. They work good for pollen too. But airborne viruses and stuff like that, don't get me preaching on that right now. Okay folks, gotta fill up my hummingbird feeder. It's about empty, and just wanted to say howdy from the garden. Hopefully we get some rain, some moisture in the fire areas here, drive out the smoke. It's very thick, it's sickening thick. You feel like you're at your house is burning down, it's that thick. So, okay, have a good day, God bless you. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't so you can see fun updates like this. If it snows tonight, I'll come out with my camera and I'll catch it, okay? And the last couple of nights in the light on the house, it looks like snowflakes. Seriously, there's ash coming down. So, from the fires of Western Colorado, gardening with Larry, God bless you. I see the sun, it's got that orange tint. When it sets, it's red if we can see it. But I'll be honest, my throat, I think, is getting a little hoarse because of this smoke. So I probably should shut this down. So Larry Capetto reporting for the Real News Network from the base of the Pine Gulch Fire. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, subscribing to this channel, and sharing this with others if you think it's important. I think it's very important. This is something you'll probably never experience in your lifetime, and I'm in the midst of it. So hopefully there'll be an update tomorrow. God bless you. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Intense, folks. Intense.